Thank you for your interest in Quest On Demand, your go-to software as a service dashboard for tackling Microsoft challenges in a hybrid world. I'm Matthew Vinton, Senior Systems Consultant at Quest, and today I'm going to take you on a short tour of the On Demand dashboard. This is the Quest On Demand dashboard. One of its main functions, of course, is to actually start the various modules of Quest On Demand. And more than just a simple product launcher, the on-demand dashboard also floats up key information from each of the modules. So for instance, you can see at a glance if your tenants are protected using on-demand recovery, or if there are interesting aberrations in sign-ins or audit log counts over the last several days. But beyond this capability, there are three things that I would like to show you today about the on-demand dashboard. The first of those is the on-demand dashboard is where we manage our tenants. So Quest On Demand is natively multi-tenant aware. You can see I have it integrated with a single tenant here, but you could add multiple tenants. And then for each tenant, manage the consent that you've granted on demand to be able to help you manage your tenants. The second thing is access control. Quest On Demand has a centralized role-based access control system. We have a variety of built-in roles, and we can create new granular roles to custom fit the permissions that you grant to your users to your organization. So if someone has a particular role, they're only able to see what they need to be able to see in On Demand. And finally, the third thing I want to show you today is where we keep centralized settings. We have our activity trail, so you can download audit data from all of the modules. For hybrid agents, for on-premises management, we have the ability to manage those here. Notifications for things like backup failure. And finally, licensing for the on-demand product suite. So that's the quick tour. Click on any of the on-demand product links on this page to learn more, or better yet, click on Try Online to get started today.